A hit, a very palpable hit.
And took off his shoulder. Do it again.
Alright, that's from above. See, that didn't do any damage though.
No.
Sunspider's getting worn down in the core. I suggest you focus on just one guy. Because they're not shooting you anymore. They must be out of ammo.
Oh, that hit his arm. Hooray.
I think if you jump jet and you scrape down his back, you can actually damage his torso. I think you did it once or twice already.
Just did more damage, you know. Sometimes I complain about doing damage.
I just need to get full height to do it.
Fuel at 0%. New target acquired.
I'm riding him, apparently. Do you see that? Surfing on his back.
New target acquired.
I can't tell if it's doing any damage, though.
New target acquired. Fuel at 25%.
Bad thing is, if we don't bash them enough in a minute, we're going to get a draw out of it.
Is
Just
it
like roll set. Yeah.
Is it actual damage based at the end? Like, I don't know.
Pretty sure it's kill
New
count.
target acquired. Fuel at 0%. New target acquired. Target acquired. Target acquired.
The problem is his armor's missing. It's hard to get internals from a bump.
New target acquired.
I can't tell if it's damaging them or it's just flashing because I'm targeting them.
New target acquired. Fuel at 25%. Fuel at 0%.
I know, I can't even go full round.
Try hitting the legs. Come in from the side on the bushwhacker.
It's a draw. Alright.
5%.
That was silly.
Control to surface. Can anyone read?
Someone should have just jumped out of their mech with a rifle.
Well, never been in a tie before.